moving zeros. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. In today's video we're going to take a peek at another Leetcode challenge, and it's called Moving Zeros. I'll have the link down in the description below. But let's just kind of go through the way that we attack this. And there is so many ways to handle programming challenges. There's more than one way to skin a cat. There's 10,000 ways to skin a cat. That's what I want you to get used to. So just because I handled it this way does not mean this is the only way to solve it. I do these challenges to kind of get you warmed up, fluid, comfortable with thinking about how you would go about solving these problems, because there's more than one step to this. One, you have to actually go, how am I deciding to do this with my decision? Then I have to take that and then I have to write it in another language. Not only do I have to verbalize this in English, but then I have to take it and type it in Python syntax. So all right, so what the concept was you needed to move the zeros to the end of the list without changing the order of the non-zero numbers. So you can't do a sort and then readjust it. So what we did is, also, we solved this problem during one of our live streams. So if you're not on the live streams, I encourage you to try to come and hang out for a little while. If it doesn't work around your schedule, I completely understand, but they are published immediately after the live stream ends. But make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of these videos. All right, so what did we do? So it was an interesting technique that we kind of brainstormed and went through. So what we did was we took the list, the array. Then what we did is we counted the zeros. So this was an interesting technique. And we kind of do it all as a team, where we're brainstorming, and it's very similar to a work environment, a work session. So how we would go about solving it. So what we did is we counted the zeros. We then went through list comprehension, because that's faster than a for loop. We created a new list excluding the zeros. Then what we did is we took the count of the zeros, created that same number of zero as a list, and then added it or extended it onto our non-zero list. So it was a very interesting challenge. Yes, this looks simple and easy after it's written. So I encourage you to spend time. Yes, learning new tools is great, but spending time sharpening those tools, ensuring that you know how they work, you understand the anatomy of the tool. I'm kind of really hung up on that term, the anatomy of the tool that you're going to be using. How is it? What is its functionality? What is it going to do? What is it going to derive? What is it going to create for you? And the more that you understand that, the better and easier you're going to be able to solve problems like this, because these are very similar to real world problems that I saw every day. I would get a list like this and I got to get rid of all these zeros, but I still need to count them and have them accessible. So these challenges on Leetcode are so similar to the things that I had to do every day. So just wanted to share this topic. Make sure you're hitting the like button for me, subscribe. Make sure you're joining the Discord server down below so you're getting all the help that you need and deserve. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.